Today we are going to draw the flag of Lebanon, and let's draw the outline first. We're going to draw the red color to differentiate the segments in the flag. You can see the flag, it is of rectangular shape. That's why I draw the rectangle previously. Alright, now I'm going to fill up the top and the bottom portion with the usual red colors. Alright, so the top portion and the bottom portion, you can see the both are red colors, and in the middle this is a white background, and in this background I'm going to draw a tree in green colors, the usual presentations of the tree. This is looks good. Alright, you can see the green colors for the tree. There's the graphical presentations of the tree in this flag. Okay, so it's quite a simple flag. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icon on to get the updates. Thank you so much. You can also browse to the playlist to select drawings in different categories. We have lots of drawings in this channel, and you can select your own. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Have a good day.